Hi everybody, welcome to Timeless Fluid Art. Jenise here to do a couple paintings for you. I want to try my cell accelerators to see if they're working. They haven't been touched in well over a week. And I took my paintings just now just to see if it'll work. I added just a little bit more Floetrol, a little more paint, and a little bit of the mint wax and the acrylic ink. So let's get started. I'm going to do one with the white accelerator on one side and the other with the black accelerator. So we'll see what happens. And these are round ornaments this time instead of the other ones with that had a little hanger thingy. So we'll see how it works. First thing I'm going to do is just spread it around a little bit. Don't have to have much here. Don't have to have a pillow like some people put. You just have to have a thin layer. And this is the best way to do it. Just spread around ahead of time and wipe your fingers. Okay. First ones I'm going to do, I'll put them, it's all about the same colors. I'm going to do a little yellow. Yeah, you can see very well here. I love doing ornaments, and I'm trying to get my head start here so everybody I know can get one of these original art ornaments from me. And they're fun to do because it's not every day you get to do an ornament, you know. And I'd rather do it now than waste my time like, you know, like, or have to do it like right before Christmas and they don't dry or anything like that. So, let me see. I'm gonna put that there. The blue and the blue. Just to start out, I'm not gonna put any metallics yet like the underneath or anything, or on top. I'm not gonna do the red, in other words. Now this is a combination of the 24 karat gold and the extreme sheen. We'll see how they come out. I have no idea. I've never used the extreme sheen before, so we shall see. And I shook this one, so let's see the black. Okay. And I didn't shake the white yet, so I'll do that now. And put that there, and we'll see what happens. I'm not sure if I'll get any cells because they've been sitting. So these are always like to do a little test in the meantime. Tom, just try to figure out. Now, I cleaned my straw. You see how nice and clean? These are the best things because you don't have to go buying paper straws or plastic straws. These are silicone and they clean up so nicely. It takes 2 seconds. And, you know, I cleaned them all in a matter of like 5 minutes. It's a piece of cake. That's why I use the glass jars. You can clean them up and then add some more. Or you don't even have to clean them up because it sticks to the side. But then when you want to clean them, you can either let it fully dry and then just scrape it out, or you can just throw it in a, you know, a towel and just wipe it up. So let's start with the black one. Look at that. Already. Been sitting for well over a week since the last time I did this, so you know how long it is. Wow. It's amazing how this stuff can sit. And they work every time. It's crazy. My recipe is, well, foul-proof. You can't fail. Fail-proof, I guess I should say. Absolute fail-proof. Now, I'm just going to leave it like that because I do like it's like a star, if you know what I mean. Let me make sure my sides are covered all the way around, which they are. And let me just dip that a little bit right there. Okay. Oh, that must be where the hole is. Well, I'll have to worry about that hole after. Let me see, I know I have the sharp stick somewhere. Got them up there. Let me spread this around a little bit. I can see I have some here at the cover. And here. Just get it from the bottom where you dipped. And this I'm going to go over this way. The problem with these, I don't know where the hole is. Okay, I think the hole is hard to tell. Okay, I think I see where the hole is. These came out absolutely gorgeous. I have to say. All right, let me see if I can find the hole now. Okay, this one looks like it's, let me see, right here. Yeah, it's not going through. So we'll see what happens when it's dry. I can always puncture it. These came out great, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. Wow. And that quick. Let me bring them over to my drying station so they can dry very well. Let me just get this little guy right here. Okay. Wow. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. Wow. Alrighty, this is a quickie. Just wanted to test my paint. Now I'm going to let it sit out a little bit, and then later on, after it's blend in, I'm going to just start working on something for dinner. I think I'm just going to go leftover spaghetti, but I'll see. And let me show you what it did. Go close up, okay? Hold on. Okay. Here's the one here. Look at the, oh, I can see where the hole is now. Good. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. I love it. And this one here. It's gorgeous. Look at those cells. Fail-proof every time. Let me get my light. Hold on a second. I'll turn off this light overhead, and I'll put on the bright light so you can really tell. Look at that. See where the hole is right there. So I'll just punch that out here in a second. And in this one here. Wow. Can you see sparkle? Oh yeah. Look at the sparkle. Love it. Oh, my favorite's that one. Wow. Just beautiful. Alright guys, I'm going to turn this light out. And I'll come back for another one. Alrighty guys. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.